What's going on, everybody? Today I gotta fix a major problem that's up in my attic. It's an electrical issue, so I'm gonna do that today before I fix or run the electrical outlets for my new light. So I got everything I need in here, I think. So close my garage door. Yeah, I gotta work up there, so I'll run up, turn the light on, or plug a light in anyway. See if I can show you what's going on here. On and on. Oops. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can see over there or not. But come on. I don't know what's going on over there, but I gotta fix that, put them in boxes and stuff, so I gotta go over there and see what all that is. Oops. So, anyway, I'll go downstairs and get my bucket of stuff and see if we can wander over there to fix that electrical. I'll be back with the bucket. Yeah, I don't know if you can see what somebody's done, but they came out of that box, went into this box. I don't know. So, I mean, there's a red wire. That's probably for a three-way switch or something. And then I don't know what that is. So, I'm going to start by undoing these wires to see if this has power. So, I need a screwdriver. I'll be back. Absolute mess of stuff. Oh my. Oh. He fell. Sorry about that. We'll have to see. There's a metal box I'm getting into now. See if that has power to it. That has power. But yeah, look, I don't know if you can see that box, but that is ridiculous. I'm going to start taking all that stuff apart. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm going to take that apart, take all these wire nuts and shit out, see what's got power and what's just doesn't, and I'll be back with you. All right, this is what I've got now. That in the box. I moved the metal box that was over here, got it to the wall, ran there, so I've only had to add one box. I'm gonna put a cover on that one and a cover on that, and that'll fix my electrical problem. I cannot believe the way they did that. I'm surprised my house didn't catch on fire. So anyway, that's it. My next project is running the lights and stuff for my garage. So we'll catch you later. Like, subscribe, do all the good stuff, and see you next time. All right, just that's it. That's the final with the covers on. So anyway, I'm sure there's an electrician out there that's like, what the fuck did you do? But anyway, I think it's better than when I had it. So I will catch you on the next project. Bye.